Hello friends and welcome to another Wednesday Quickie. If today is your first time visiting with us, we'd like to extend to you a very warm welcome and invite you to view any of our over 400 videos that we have arranged in a playlist orientation for your convenience. As we are comfortable, you're going to find something both enjoyable and useful to watch. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. So today we're going to talk about probably one of my most favorite tools, and this is the RYOBI Airstrike. And we thought that it failed during our last project. Unfortunately, it fell through our bench, and after that it just would not work. I was very distressed over it, ready to buy another one. The tool has served me well for almost 2 years, and I did not want to stop using it. I really love this tool. But at the same time, after the fall, I thought it was done. That was until I started doing a little bit of searching and I found some interesting things. So stick around and see what we found. First of all, I want to start saying, do not throw this tool away if it stopped working. There might be a very good chance that something very simple can actually fix it. So if you look at the tool, if you open the front, you're going to see there is a striker, which now is up. If your striker is down, then more than likely, just use some WD-40 in this channel and on top of this area, and that will make your tool work again. It definitely worked in my tool. So before you throw it, it's definitely worth to at least try to do that. And after that, you can see the tool works fine. Now, the key characteristic of this failure is that the striker does not go up. Your striker does not lift. It stays in the down position and prevents from nails to go into position. And of course, it will not hit the nail. So the gun will have nails, will make the sound, but will not fire the nails. In my case, before I use WD-40, I raise the little striker using a screwdriver. I do not know if that's necessary or not. I'm just telling you what I did. And after that, the gun has started operating perfectly again. So do not throw your perfectly working airstrike just because after a fall or after no reason at all, or for no reason at all, sorry, the thing stopped working. There is a very good chance that the reason is that you need to oil it. Now, why that happens? As you know, I've used this tool for the last 2 years, virtually in every project we've built for the channel, and even more so in projects that I worked in the house that had nothing to do with the channel. This tool has worked flawlessly and has eliminated my need to use my air compressor nailing guns. After all these many usages, what's happening is that the striker dries, and simply when it does not have the pressure to go down, it does not retreat. It seems to be simply a piece of metal spring, so it goes down but doesn't come back up. Do not again throw this tool away. At a minimum, try to put some oil on it, and again you can put some oil in this area here, which is just above the striker, and definitely in the striker itself. As you can see, normally there is nothing in the channel, there is nothing on the striker. Oh, I'm sorry. And then after you reposition it, just close it again and you're ready to go. I certainly hope you enjoyed this really intriguing quickie. I'm very happy I found this solution that saved one of my most favorite, if not my most favorite tool, and I hope it's going to save your tool as well. If you found some use for this bit of information, please give us a thumbs up, or if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Also share, like, let us know what you would like to see in future episodes. From the Garage Woodworker and the Urban Homesteading channel, I bid you a great week. Farewell, friends.